Shalom fam, this is my first harvest. I got radishes. They've been washed and drained, and I got tons of them. And all of these can be grown in a space the size of about 2 full-size sheets of paper towel. This is one and two, and you can grow all of this in just that shorter size. That's awesome, right? I'm drying these bad boys off, and we'll be giving them out in the congregation, and anybody who wants them. Of course, I have some still here that's going to stay. Leaving the tops on just in case somebody wants to add those to their salads or saute them in the pan. Alright, so just showing y'all some of my first harvest. Peace.